Clyde. I'm Ellie.
I'm Luke.
I'm Ian.
I'm Charm, and we are the interns from Worldwide Fund Philippines. Tara, akit tayo.
So ano nga ba ang WWF? So ang WWF ay widely recognized and trusted non-government organization in the world for advancing the Sustainable Development Agenda.
WWF now operates in around 100 countries with 6,000 employees and 600 million supporters since its founding year in 1961.
So ano nga bang ginagawa ng WWF? So WWF Philippines, also known as Kabang Kalikasan ng Pilipinas, ito ay isang network na nag-exist mula noong 1997. So ang ginagawa nito ay ini-improve ang buhay ng bawat mamayang Pilipino sa pamamagitan ng pag-conserve ng marine at land habitats. At trabaho rin ng WWF na solusyonan ang lumalalang climate change.
So isa na nga sa mga proyekto nila ay ang Plastic Smart Cities, TV Action and Manila City, na kung saan ang layunin nila ay i-reduce by 30% ang plastics in nature by the year 2024 and hopefully 100% by the year 2030.
Moving on, let's talk about the activities and tasks done during our internship period and our learnings from them. So we conducted table study about solid waste management, plastic smart cities, material recovery facilities, Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2003, and the Extended Producer Responsibility Act of 2022. And our learnings from them, we learned about the Waste Analysis and Characterization Study or WACS of Manila City and how it is done. We also learned about the factors affecting waste collection and overall system of waste management, and data on waste generation, classification, collection, and disposal.
So for our second phase, nagkaroon kami ng preparations for the site visit and site data collection. So one of the activities that we did is yung physical onboarding in the office. So kasama na dito yung household training on solid waste management. Tingnan din yung barangay delegation, which is yung Barangay 71, Zone 6, District 1. Aside from that, nagkaroon din kami ng QGIS training, which helped us train our mapping skills for our final report, and yung MRF assessment training. So this includes yung one of the staff from AMH Philippines na kung saan diniscuss nila yung environmental engineering practice-based group, company profile nila, and material recovery facility engineering design.
So next in the list is the site visits and data collection. All in all, nakabisita kami sa tatlong barangay, including the barangay assigned to our group. We met and interviewed some key persons in Barangay 71 that helped us learn about the data we needed for the MRF assessment, like some barangay information, their current situation, problems, and future goals regarding solid waste management, and some other information provided in this list.
So, under din ang data collection, dito rin kami umattend ng barangay level policy development workshop na inattendan rin ng barangay officials from 6 different districts of Manila. So, dito, natutunan namin yung mga issues and problems na kinaharap ng mga barangay sa kanilang lugar na may kinalaman sa solid waste management. At dito rin kami nag-assist sa mga breakout sessions kung saan nagkaroon ng detailed discussion tungkol dun sa mga issues na yun at kung ano yung nagkakos dito. So, for the last and final phase naman, andito rin yung writing the final report, pero hindi kami na-limit sa pagsusulat ng mga final report. Nagkaroon pa rin kami ng field work kung saan pumunta kami sa Central MRF na nasa Manila Zoo at inalam namin yung mga process doon, like kung paano gumagana yung bioreactors, paano nire-recycle yung tarpaulins, at saka mga iba pang recyclables din ng bottles and plastic cups. Tapos ayun din, since writing ang final report na to, dito rin kami nag-research at nag-draft ng mga data at kinolate namin yung mga nakolekta namin information from the barangay officials nung nag-site visit kami.
So aside from the hard skills or technical skills na natutunan namin, natuto din kami ng soft skills katulad ng collaboration, time management, communication skills, critical thinking, and openness to learning.